Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Ahmed from TTC Riyadh College in electronics department, and today I'm going to talk about operation amplifier. Um, Actually, operation amplifier is a very important topic for electrical or electronics department. But before we go further with this topic, I want to start with a questions. Actually, we have to know about what is an amplifier. We want to know from the name, and we want to know about what is the amplifier do. Okay. First of all, when we talk about amplifier, and actually always people refer to amplifiers when they are usually talking about stereo components or musical equipment, but this is only a small representation of an audio amplifier. So there are actually amplifiers all around us. You'll find them in televisions, computers, portable CD players. So we can find them actually all around us. So actually, to sum up with this definition, amplifier means you have in electronics, you have a small signal, and you will generate a higher signal. Okay. And also to know about more uh, uh, to know more about amplifier, we have to know about ICs. And what is an IC? It's an abbreviation of integrated circuit, and these are types of integrated circuit. You know, uh, these, and they have a different size, as you see here. And what is inside an IC? Actually, inside IC is a bunch of semiconductor materials, transistors, and also capacitors, and all these small chip called an IC. And an op amp, which is a operational amplifier, is an amplifier IC actually, and also will be represented as this shape. And we have also a question: what can we do with op amps? Actually, as I have mentioned before, we can make music louder, and which means in a stereo equipment. And we can also use this in hospital to amplify heartbeat, by using medical instruments. And we can also use them as converters and heating systems. And also we can use them, which is the most important, for engineering, math operations, summing, integration, differentiation. This is actually very important things that the amplifiers do. And an op amp operation amplifier, an op amp is an integrated circuit used for amplification of signals. As I have mentioned, you have small signals and you want to amplify it, you can simply use this IC. And it's also it's the most widely used analog IC. So we can use them for analog. We have small signal and we want to amplify analog signal, we can use this IC op amp. It is used in control system, instrumentation, signal processing. Yes. And operation amplifier or op amp is an amplifier with two inputs. So now we want to know about the terminals of this component, and one input called inverting input, and the other and another input called non-inverting. So this is simply the shape of the amplifier, and always represent as this shape. And we have this V plus and V minus to feed this amplifier, and we have these to our input. This minus indicate to inverting, and plus to indicate non-inverting. This is what is inside the amplifier: differential amplifier, voltage amplifier, and output amplifier. And now we want to know about these what is inside an amplifier. A differential amplifier gives MB, high input impedance. So we have high input impedance, like small signals. Okay. Second, voltage amplifier, it gives high gain. And what is I want to gain, what I want to from amplifier is to give high gains. And the third stage, output amplifier, emissive failure, gives low output impedance, and that is very important. We have input, high input impedance, and low output impedance. So to know about the characteristics of this device, as I mentioned, very high input impedance, very high gain, low output impedance. And an op-amp is a differential voltage amplifier with high gain. Why? So we have to know differential amplifier because it amplifies the difference between two voltages. So we have two voltage, and we want to amplify the difference, and we have to know to use the amplifier to know the difference between them, and the device will amplify them. Voltage amplifier because input and output are voltage, so we have input voltage. So this is the most important high gain amplifier because they have voltage gain is very high, 100. Okay, and this is the types of amplifier: through holes amplifiers, and surface mountains like this. And actually this is the most important things about amplifier, and about what is the basic concept of this component, and what is the symbol of it, and how does the shape or how does it look like. Okay, thank you for listening, and hope to see you next time.